So what you got?
Some cologne.
That's not cologne.
Yes, it's cologne.
It's
We call it cologne.
perfume.
Filipinos call it perfume. Perfume's for girls. Cologne's for men.
Ah, really?
Yeah, but
So that's your favorite?
Spicebomb. Yeah, I've had it once before.
So this is your
And I liked
second bottle?
Yeah.
So we just pick it up that today in Macy's. That's my gift for his birthday.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
That's the...
You missed the smell on that?
Yeah, it didn't last long.
It's made in
I pulled the lid off.
France.
Mmm.
What's the smell?
And it's a bomb, so it's like a grenade. Pull it.
It's made in France. No?
But yeah,
That's the lock.